This is Cinder, the fire education dog with Holly Springs Fire Rescue.
Cinder would like to remind you to check your smoke alarms once a month by pressing the test button.
Replace the batteries in your smoke alarms at least once a year. When the time change comes around and you change your clocks, use that to remind you to change the batteries in your smoke alarms as well. Remember to read the manufacturer's instructions on how to clean your smoke alarms.
Look, what's this?
Remember that all smoke alarms that are 10 years old or older should be replaced. Having working smoke alarms can increase your chance of surviving a fire by as much as 50%. 4 out of 10 homes in Holly Springs have some fault with their home fire protection system. If you would like a free check of your home smoke alarms, just call our Safe line. It's 919-577-SAFE or 919-577-7233. On behalf of Cinder and all of us here at Holly Springs Fire Rescue, we would like to remind you to
be fire safe.